Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hello everybody, how are you? Barakat here. So, very plenty people have been asking me, but Barakat, how do you normally do your makeup? Like your makeup is so lovely, so beautiful, and so noticeable. I said, oh, don't worry, let me do tutorial. So, here we are. Let's begin. So first of all, we'll get this brush. You will use it to brush your eyes brown like that. After you do that, we now spray this thing. This one, I didn't normally know what they call it, so that we spray it like this. Don't do big mistake like that. Close your eyes. It's cold on your body. Okay, now use this thing that's like heck to do like this. Oh, now pick your foundation and put it like this. So you do like this, you put small, mix, and do like this. So you do like this. You're making foam. You'll be doing it like this. So don't look making you under 10-20 minutes. Have two. This is a concealer. What I call this concealer is we put here like this to cover all your black hair. Use your baking foam. So that is this, like this. Next, we'll do. Sorry about that. Next, we'll put your eyes brown. I normally do like black because you can never not see it. We'll do like this. Small, we'll now pull it. The second one, we'll do like this. Small, we'll now pull it again. If you want to we are going to somewhere, we want them to notice you, we pull more like this to reach you. We now put eyeshadow. I didn't like it loud because I will use this color blue. And if I like it loud in it, I will do red. No, fine. I'm so very lovely. Hey! Do like this. Yes, I've not even finished. What do you do, Lord? After you have put your powder, you now put blush. Or which color blush? So now do your inside your eye like this. Opari. The second one like this. Like this. Do back pari and do your lip. Like this. I'm very pretty in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have two. So, I know plenty of you want to know how IYA BARAKAT normally do tie and daily. We want in town. Do like this. We do like this again. We carry it, go back. We do like this. We tie it.
Oh, no.
So that's the tutorial for simple makeup. When time for heavy makeup come, I will teach you. Nice life.
God have mercy upon us.